Here I have Xiaomi Pocophone F1 and let me show you how to enable and how to customize the Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's find and select the settings icon. Here you should scroll down in order to choose sound and vibration. Then let's choose silent/DND right here, and here you can use the regular mode, the silent mode, to mute everything, or you can use Do Not Disturb. So this silence sounds and turn off vibrations except from the alarms and other customized rules. So here you can allow the incoming calls from some favorite group of people. You can notify about repeat callers if you would like to. You can mute or unmute the music stream. You can also restrict the floating notification, and what's also really important, you can use the scheduled time. So you can turn on the following scheduled time, so you can, for example, switch on Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or you can set up some other rules that you would like to use. Basically everything is right here. In my case, let me just go to regular mode, and now you can use your device in a normal way. You can also use the upper bar, and here you can tap on silent, and you can use the silent mode from the following notification bar. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.